How to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and today I will guide you how you can do that. First of all, make sure you go on the Facebook of your phone. On the top right side, you will see three vertical lines. Scroll down and down up until you see the option of settings. Go on the setting option. After going on the setting option, go on the see more in account center option. Here, when you tap on your profile option, you can simply tap on the account and you can change anything. Also, you can add account and remove account. But if you want to remove, just tap on this and tap on your account and then you can remove. The next way to remove your account is to scroll down up until you see the option of log out. Then you can simply log out your account. After you log out your account, you will now see a pop-up of all the logged in account that you have logged in on your Facebook. You can simply tap on the gear option. After tapping on the gear option, you can see here manage your profile. Now when you tap on each option, you can simply delete your account, and that's how you remove multiple accounts on Facebook. Hope this helps you. If you like the video, then thumbs up, subscribe and comment on our video. Thank you.